Hi, my name is Niklas Holmqvist and I am the founder of Anymal. Anymal is Swedish for animal, meaning any catfish, and it is a fish only existing in our own tanks. We are talking about land-based fish farming, which has many advantages. Anymal is our own product and it is a catfish, and by carefully choose parents and feed, we'll make it look and taste like premium fishes like eel and salmon. The natural color of catfish is pinkish, depending on feed and gender. By genetic and feed, we will focus on colors connected to a premium fish. And as for target market in Kenya will use ivory and flamingo as references. Personally, I prefer lax rosa, salmon pink. Anymal means we are farming two catfish species, but the most interesting is their hybrid. Perfect for high-intensity aquaculture, with features much better than the parents and perfect for aquaculture. The tanks are using RAS, a land-based technology where you recycle water, and in a closed system you can monitor everything. Notice how the catfish hover the surface of feed with verbals like whiskers. We are focusing to put the tank inside a greenhouse, meaning you can produce the greens, fish, and use the fish waste to feed flies or earthworms. What options are best for the fish? Our hypothesis is that easy, always nocturnal at 28 degrees is the best, but as you saw in the last picture, they feed very good in daylight as well. And the KPIs for this setup is brutal. You get basically 1 kg of fish per liter water, and you get feed conversion ratio between lower than 1, means you have a very good ecological footprint. And yes, it is possible, as fish contains water, to get it below 1. A new unique supply chain, the harvest to delivery, is the performance improvement, and no killing is the key. A grading process will help classify the fish to our requirements for easy pricing, and then we pump the fish to the electric vehicle. So pump and delivery. A batch of 4,000 fish will be quality vetted, processed and loaded in 1 hour's time. As the catfish is air-breathing, there will be low risk of waste in the transport to rotten fish. Basically 1,000 ton, that is our target, is 3 harvests per week. Of course, it's much less risk of the fish getting rotten when it arrives alive. And you pump it up and the truck delivers it anywhere. This is the real, or supposed to be real, supply chain. It's a design for high availability with 2 physical locations and 3 identical clusters, and we have 2 delivery hubs closer to the main markets in Masai Mara and Nairobi. And of course, behind the scenes there are many opportunities of AI to be used, and we need to have co-scientists assigned as well. Both the markets and products are moving fast, and we expect to get much more data, and we will get it through automatic weighted, digital twins, IoT and customer feedbacks. So fresh it swims to your pan, yeah. And we will introduce Swedish and Japanese style to make the barbecue. And of course, the dry aging is the killing, or our unique go-to-market message. So when we look at the premium customers like large in Masai Mara and the large hotels in Nairobi, I would say that 1,000 ton is a reachable target very fast. There is a large market for catfish used for fillets or sausages without premium, so we will of course be able to sell any fish we can't deliver, and those one you can sell per kgs as well. So the premium market for the key export market is also expected to be very large, especially in the MENA, that is Qatar and Saudi Arabia. There are many reasons to invest in Anymal, next generation sustainable fish. The capex of $1 million seems high, but also exceptionally low. This means on 1,000 ton the capex is $1 per kg, and the opex is also very low. We can utilize and many byproducts. So the cost will be like between $2 and $3, and the revenue is 5. So that's a very good investment. That we will get the same as it should be consistent when we scale it out. And this was a brief intro to Anymal. You can find me in the picture wearing FOPA flip-flops. If you want more detailed presentation, don't hesitate to contact me.